My wife's been into cooking Mexican style foods, salsas and all that stuff. And she needs a lot of cilantro. Buying it from the store is really expensive. And the seeds aren't all that cheap either. What do I do? Did you know cilantro, when it flowers and turns to seed, turns into coriander? Oh, really? Yeah. I didn't know that. You could try to regrow coriander seeds and see how that works for you. Okay. Thanks for the tip. I'll give that a try. Doesn't hurt to try. Like, share, and subscribe. Now, you may or may not know that coriander is cilantro. It's just the seed version. Once a cilantro plant goes to seed, it becomes, the seeds are coriander. Get rid of these lettuce plants. These have really stalled out. They're not doing anything. They can go away. We'll clear the mulch for the moment. What I'm doing today is I'm going to set this bed up real quick to plant store-bought coriander seeds. I've got some chicken compost here that my brother gave me from his chicken coop. I'm going to mix this. Wet. Break this up a little bit. Now I'm going to take these coriander seeds, which if you don't know, cilantro is coriander. Let's take a look at these. They feel good. Hopefully they're mature enough. I'll just kind of loosely put those in. Yell at the dogs again. There. We'll cover that back up. Okay, so these are seeds that I saved from last year for my own plants. And I'm hoping that one of these or the other will sprout lots and lots of cilantro plants. Okay, so now it's been a couple of weeks and we're coming back to the cilantro I planted. My first observation is the leaves on the coriander seeds actually is bigger. Most of the plants are already bigger than the saved seeds. All the plants look really healthy. There's no problems there. These, interestingly enough, actually started off slower than the save seeds. So that, I thought that was pretty interesting. I still have some of these trying to poke through here. Let's pull a plant or two. I need to thin these out anyway. That's a pretty big clump. I gotta admit, I actually prefer this one. This is fine. This is fine for anything you're going to use cilantro for, but it has a tougher leaf than this one does. Okay, so this is the third part of this video, and this was planted with some store-bought coriander seeds, and this was planted with some saved Pokey Joe cilantro. Let's take a look here. The store-bought coriander has obviously bolted a lot quicker. The amount of leaves aren't quite as dense. It did actually start producing quicker than the Pokey Joe. However, the Pokey Joe the leaves are much denser. So the leaves are denser and it hasn't even begun to bolt yet. Let's do a little taste test here. Now this is the store-bought cilantro, or the store-bought coriander seeds. Now let's pick this one. Flavor-wise, they're very similar. However, the store-bought coriander seeds have a little bit milder cilantro taste to them. They're not quite as strong. It almost has a hint of sweetness, a note of sweetness. Kind of interesting. They're also a bit more tender than what these are. I guess this one has it a bit too, but it has that more pronounced cilantro flavor. If you were somebody that wasn't huge on cilantro, this would probably be your pick. If you're growing in the heat, where things are a bit warmer, this should probably be your pick. If you're just trying to do some really quick turnover and don't want to spend a lot of money on seeds, hopefully the green on my teeth didn't show up. But if you were looking maybe do a quick turnover and you could plant in the shade, for the price, this was like $5 for a whole pound of these seeds. That's my conclusion. I will probably let this bed go a little bit longer. This is the bed I'm going to be using up here first in the next week or so I can get some summer squash in here. Like, share, and subscribe.